We are tracking another threat for severe weather this afternoon and tonight. Welcome back, everybody. Meteorologist Robert Suhr to sort of take you through everything. A good chunk of the tri-state here under that level 3, that enhanced risk for severe weather. It eases a little bit as you head further toward the east. So we're looking at strong destructive wind gusts with these storms tonight, 60, 70 mile an hour gusts, maybe some strong tornadoes, especially in that higher risk area, and soaking rains anytime this evening through midnight or so. But again, soaking rains, the key word here. Some of us are dealing with extreme drought across a chunk of the tri-state here. We need the rainfall. Thankfully, we are going to get it. Next 72 hours, you see easily 2 to 3, maybe 4 inches of rainfall. This is exactly what we need to try to alleviate some of those drought concerns. And it absolutely looks like we're going to get some beneficial rainfall to everybody across the tri-state over the next couple of days. Unfortunately, that rainfall could be of the severe variety. So watching as we go through the day, some of the models are really struggling with some of this morning activity. Not buying a lot of this, what you see here. Could there be a couple of showers? Yes, but I'm not really expecting widespread rainfall this morning across the tri-state. But just have the umbrella handy just in case. As we get closer to this evening, much better chance of showers and storms starting to roll through, especially with the initial line. It will blast its way through. By tomorrow morning, we're drying out, really quieting down, and then we'll look for another chance of strong to severe storms, possibly Tuesday night and into our Wednesday. So there could be a couple of morning showers in spots, and then a break, and then those thunderstorms come rolling through this evening and tonight. Into the 80s we'll climb for our high temperatures. A few other locations will be in the 70s here. It depends on how much cloud cover you get. If you see some of those morning showers, that could hold your temperatures in check. And then we're into the 60s tonight with those storms of varying intensity rolling their way through. Again, another threat for storms Tuesday night and into very early Wednesday. Once that system moves through, then the big story becomes plunging temperatures, as we'll be well below average as we get toward the second half of the upcoming week.